A spirit animal is someone's animal equivalent. It's the animal whose vibration is most aligned to a person's unique and authentic essence. The animal usually possesses traits and qualities that mirrors that of a person's. Many of us attract powerful energies at crucial points in our lives, when we need it the most, when we're seeking guidance, seeking protection. And the power animal comes to us with certain medicine. They serve as a guide, as a helper. Through the shamanic breathwork, we call upon and invite the spirit animals. They come with deep symbolism in their messages and put you on your path to self-actualization. The breathwork is special. Connect with your guide and go on a journey together.